ready?
We are also.
Oh, good.
Once upon a time.
What time?
What do you mean?
You said once upon a time, so what was that time?
I don't know. A long time ago, the forest far away from here.
Like in Star Wars?
Sure. Anyway, once upon a time, there were 3 bears.
That was a great hike. We made 5 miles today.
And did you see that Miss Wolf adding the flowers to her butterfly garden?
I'm excited that we found so many berries because what do bears make better?
Smoothies! Let's get back to the cabin before the berries get too warm. I'm starving. I haven't eaten since we left for a nature hike this morning.
You know what would be great with our smoothies? Some of Miss Muffet's porridge.
And after lunch, a nice one nap. I don't know.
Me too. Further in the woods, Miss Wolf was tending her garden. There, cornflowers, starflowers, and blue star. These will make the butterflies so happy. Oh, hello, would you like some flowers for your basket? The garden is beautiful, Miss Wolf. Oh no, are you okay? Everyone thinks because I'm a wolf that I'm scary and mean. Half the time they trample my garden running away. I know what you mean. They see me crawling out of the darkness and all I hear is, ah, a creepy spider! Sure not all creatures are the nicest, but not all people are the nicest. I know. All I can do is keep flying and hope that one day they will not look at my big ears and big claws. Yeah, it's definitely the paws they're afraid of. Well, don't let it bother you too much. I know that you're not a creepy wolf. In fact, you're one of the nicest wolves I know. Thank you, Spider. How many wolves do you know? 2. But you're definitely one of the nicest.
A spider and Miss Wolf took a walk to compromise little red friend Wolfie Jr. running down the forest path.
I don't know if Little Red finds Wolfie Jr. It's more like she falls on Wolfie Jr.
I'm so sorry. I was running for my life from 3 scary bears.
It's okay. I was running for my life from a scary wolf. Oh, you must have seen my mom. She's been working in the garden all morning. Are you okay? You're a gardener? Not really, but I'm learning. Did you know that certain flowers attract certain insects and that those insects make more flowers by spreading the pollen? Isn't that fascinating? No, no? You don't think nature is fascinating? Knowing how to keep our woods healthy keeps us healthy too. No, I mean you're a wolf. A big scary wolf. What's so scary about me? Your claws and teeth for one. Why thank you. But I still haven't gotten all my canines yet. What are canines? They're these big pointy teeth that help me eat and chew on food. You only get 2 though. Humans get 4. Really? I didn't know that. For sure. We have lots in common with humans. Wasn't that wonderful? I just love getting to meet new friends.
You're a narrator. Did you already read after that happened?
Oh, I've read it 100 times, but this time I got to see it happen.
As the new friends worked their way towards the meadow, down the path came 3
Smell that fresh forest air. Isn't it wonderful? Doesn't the sun feel great too? Finally, a warm spring day. I'm so glad the path dried out. I left out and my kids kept getting stuck in the mud.
What the heck? Well, would you look at that? It's the forest famous three-blind mice. I've heard so many of your amazing adventures.
Adventures, yes. Three blind mice, no. I'm a mouse who is blind, but my siblings see just fine.
But you all have canes and sunglasses.
Haven't you ever worn sunglasses when it's sunny outside? Or used a walking stick on long hikes? Or needed a cane to help walk with an injured leg? You can't believe everything other folks tell you. Sometimes you need to find out for yourself.
I'm sorry, I assumed you all were mice who couldn't see before I even talked to you. I'm Henrietta. Very nice to meet you.
Wait, aren't you Humpty Dumpty? Yeah, you're the egg that bumped their head. And how did you get back together again?
First off, how would you feel if people called you Humpty Dumpty? It doesn't even make sense. And lots of folks trip or fall or get a bump on the noggin.
I get that, but you're an egg. Aren't eggs fragile?
Sure, my shell gets cracks every now and then, but every time I fall, I find new tools to make my shell stronger for the next time I might get hurt.
What kinds of tools?
Well, my favorite is a special kind of glue. Once it's on, it won't come off, no matter what.
A glue that sticks forever? That's some crazy glue.
As the four friends walked and shared stories, another creature was wandering the woods, wishing for a friend of their own.
They don't even have one friend? That's awful.
Are you sure you read this before here?
Oh, hello. I haven't seen you in these woods before. What's your name? Are you talking to me? Of course. Who else would I be talking to, silly? You're not afraid? What will we be afraid of? Well, usually when folks see me, they either run to get their torches or run to get someone who has a torch. Well, that doesn't sound really nice. Why would they do that? Can't you see it? I'm a monster. That's why they call me Frankenstein's monster. Why do they call you that? And even if you all, I know lots of monsters, lovely folks. And they're great comedians. They love making kids laugh. I think there's even a school for that. And what was that monster school called again? Jamie. What? That's my name, Jamie. Nice to meet you, Jamie. I'm Miss Muffet, and this is Sir Cinderlad. Cinderlad? Sir Cinderlad. I hail from Ireland. I'm here for my cousin's graduation party. She's awesome. Cinderella's the newest doctor at Forest Hospital. Have you been traveling all by yourself? Technically, you could say I travel with a lot of people. Really? Where do they all go? Never mind. Really, I did wish I could find a nice place to call home. If you'd like, you can stay with me. I have plenty of space. And enough porch to feed the whole forest for a whole year. Spider likes some more cartridges, but it's a supply, so don't count it. That's nice of you. By the way, what is porridge? You've never had porridge before? Now you've got to come over. What? It's nothing.
Wait, what?
Right here on page 1,002,669, we still have Cinderella's graduation party scene. Didn't you read the story beforehand?
Gather around, everybody. Miss Muffet made a special porridge for the party.
Yeah! Porridge! Wait, what's porridge again? Just go on. Jamie, they traveled all the way from Switzerland, and Henrietta traveled from England.
glue. They have this special glue that can stick to anything. It's amazing. I know, it's crazy. I think Jamie bought some to fix their arm. Jamie's like a unicorn. It's so cool. And Cinderella was telling me about all of his adventures. He was friends with the magical woman for the princess first. I could eat Miss Muffet's porridge for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You said it. The only thing better than porridge is smoothies. Have any of you been baptized in the Lord? It's beautiful. He said he did the whole thing in one night. He made it special for Cinderella's graduation. I didn't know that. Spider's webs are always amazing. Is it a big web or a smaller web? Oh, who really walked it this time? Come on, I'll show you. So the wall was how tall? 10 feet. Can you believe it? Just because one side of the village wrote in cursive and the other wrote in print. Wait, what? That doesn't make sense. It's like getting mad because s'mores are killed. In our country, that's how we celebrate our heritage. Well, Spider were the silliest things. We listen to what others say, but then we never go to check it out for ourselves. Talking with folks is definitely the best way to learn about them. You said it. Now let's go get some more porridge before it's all gone. Really great days. Big walks, smoothies, naps, smoothies, snooze, smoothies. Just the best. Don't forget about the toys and look at all the new fun out here. This was the best day. I know, isn't it great? I learned so much about villages across the ocean. And you know what? Little Red isn't as nearly as scary as I thought she would be. I don't know. That kid was suspicious. One time I met a bat that was with a cape that lived in the day creepy cave. It was weird. We live in a dark, creepy cave. Yes, but that's only in winter time, and I'm asleep the whole time.
Aquí estoy. Hola, hola, amigos.
Who are you?
Yo me llamo Cinderella y hoy es mi fiesta de graduación. Did I miss anything?
Here, eat this. It will make you laugh.
Can we hear it just one more time for them? They did absolutely amazing. I wanted to thank a few folks before I let them introduce themselves and tell you who they were in the play. So first of all, Miss Smith's tech team, who are absolutely incredible. We have Will, Riley, Mara, Sailor, and Haley. So we have camera, we have sound, we had our crew backstage here that helped everyone, and I just really think it's awesome. Thank you so much to our tech crew. I'd also like to thank our families who helped at home with all these lines with our cute little costumes. Sorry, they're so cute. Cute little costumes. Mainly, I want to thank the students. because they're absolutely incredible. My Eagles worked so hard, and I think you did absolutely incredible.